advocated. See, it shows, it is giving a, maybe people have a wrong perception, thinking, okay, all the old guard be given back in the position. I'm very happy, at least this time, and this message has to go across Goa. And people should be very positive. Okay, at least this time, Congress will give a new face tickets, new young people. It is showing here after giving all this position. इतली वर्सां हे काँग्रेसान आशिल्ले म्हणटच तांकां खूंय जाल्यार सेटल करचें पडलें, बरो जाग दीस पडलो, सगळ्यांक बरो जाग दिले, बिकॉज दे आर मोस्ट सिनियर, so many years together in the Congress. So party respect their contribution towards Congress, and they had given charges, different position. So it's basically one person, one post, no. So now you just imagine that, like most senior, like Alex Sikher, who been announced 4 years back retirement. It is just like any other retired judge, how they appoint arbitration. It's same like that. So he had given a charge as a working president, which I'm very happy. Okay, and I hope he will do, he will do good job. Okay, so he have to go across all the 40 constituencies. You got to understand. People who are going to contest, they don't have that kind of time. And that's what I believe that Congress had been realized. If the people the candidates who are going to contest the election, they won't have all this time to for in the organization. So I am very positive that I'm very happy. People of Goa should not assume that all this most senior back again in the action. They are in the action for planning in the system. Every different committees. They are in the committees for action, but basically the young faces will be given chance this time to contest election and get elected, and of course Congress will be in the power.
So you mean to say that those who are in the committee won't get tickets?
One has to understand. People in those who committee got in a position, they have to see that everything going smooth, right? They have their position, they have been given this position only to how the system has to be operated. So everybody got, the job to be done, and where these people will have a time to go to the constituency and convince the people vote for Congress. How? So that, this organization who been given this now, they will, of course, they have to be on toes to, monitor everything.
And see that Congress comes to power in 2022.
I'm hope, of course, in this situation, people have, you got to overall, people have, soon this list came out, people have different reaction. People have different reaction across Goa. Oh my God, all these old people back again in the committee or whatever, okay? But that should not, they should not think that they have only given a post, for organization, prior to election. So one should understand, people, those who are thinking, they should understand that this time Congress will give young buddies tickets, and of course most of the people who've been doing the social work in Congress. Most of the constituencies, there are contenders. You got to two, three contenders. Some places there are no contenders also, and there are no blocks also. Now the blocks been dissolved. Now charges been given for organization now, given to all this most seniors. You saw the list yesterday. Now they have to organize all these blocks. They have to organize under their leadership in different organization. They have to organize the blocks. There's hardly time. There's 5 months to go for an election, 4 to 5 months. Okay, they have to organize in every, they had given a charge, they have to organize the blocks.
So my question was, where will you contest?
I will contest in Banauli. I will contest in Banauli. I already started. See, Nove also there's, that also is my constituency. There are people, they are young, who've been there in years together in Congress, young boys. They should be given a chance, no? For Banauli, it is I took the challenge. Banauli, I took challenge. I even discussed before the High Command. I took the challenge that Banauli constituency, okay, the hand symbol lost 20 years back. When I contested with me that loss, I promise that I will bring that hand symbol back again in Banauli. That is my promise, and I will fulfill my promise. I have no problem at all. I am already in touch with most of the people who I am, talking, and at 99% Banauli, those who are there, they said, Mickey, it's you who can make changes in Banauli. They said that 3 times we got elected you, and there was a peace. There was a peace in Banauli constituency. There was no fight. There is nothing as such. Okay, everybody has security, and safety there. Now now you all also seen there are a lot of fight within the political contenders. You saw one fellow was posting local MLA posters. Other fellow was asking the debate on education. I don't understand what is this now. There are all those educational institutions in every village. I don't know if the education institution had approached the local MLA what they want, and he did not deliver that. I don't know, but I don't know that the AAP organization what debate they want to in education sector.
There was a assumption that तुमको एक बड़ी responsibility दिखली मन after you joined.
No, they had promised. When I got even a news, I got news from AINS report that your name is circulating that you will be working president. I said I'm not interested. I cannot handle 40 constituencies. I am going to contest election. When I promised that lost symbol last 20 years in Banauli, I am going to get back that in Congress. So I promise. Then where's the question of going around all the 40 constituencies? Of course, I will devote my time to other constituencies wherever I can. I had a party, my own. I have a pocket in every constituency. So it is my duty, those people who are well-wishers, these pockets in every constituency, I will get them in the Congress. And that's what I already started. For that, I don't need any position. No. See, you got to understand, probably you guys also came in assuming that Mickey will be upset because he did not get a position. No, it's not me. Mickey is not there. I'm very happy today after seeing the list. I don't fit in in that list. You saw that list. I don't fit I don't get into that list. I don't fit in that list. So I'm happy. So
ZP also failed, Municipality also failed. Despite party has given him charge.
See, one thing you have to understand. I also told Congress High Command, okay, if you have any face value person in Congress, please give it to me. I will work under him. I will give me one non-corrupt person, okay, I will work under him, because we have to convince the people that we have a leader, we have a person who is non-corrupt, okay, sincerely with the Congress party, and we have to work. So I have I will make another, I'm one step ahead. I will go and say that before I join, there is a lot of within the Congress they wanted to have changed the leadership. Okay, but I stood. I said, at this point of time, no, there's hardly time. There was hardly time. I am not here to complain, but as a family, everybody have to understand. Whatever their views there, they have to, of course, they have to put before their family and not on the air. Okay, that's what I had said. See, you got to understand. Maybe he had given a chance, or he got that opportunity contesting here and there. That is different altogether. Okay, but this man has never been MLA or never been minister. So public, he as the president of Congress party, people cannot say, okay, he's corrupt, he's this, he's that. At least he can go anywhere in 40 constituency and say, hey, I'm a clean man. Okay, I'm sincerely with the Congress party. Let's bring the Congress party up this time. This is, that's what he can say. But otherwise, if you tell me any elected member going and asking people, please vote for Congress, people might, in front of their face, they might won't say. But there are 1,000 people, and those people on the platform and say, hey, vote for me, vote for Congress. And in 1,000 people, there one person is start screaming, hey, you have corruption cases, you are corrupt, this, that. Enough, that is enough to give a bad name in front of 1,000 people. Am I right or wrong? So, for me, I stand on the platform wherever, and Girish there, or okay, people who doesn't have any charges, corruption charges, or beside, forget it, personal problem, everybody had, or politically vindictive cases are there. That is separate. But in a politic, there is no corruption cases against me. Okay, I can say it. Baba, I am with the Congress. Please vote for Congress. Please vote for us. I can say that. But everybody can't say that, because I could understand today. I also got an opportunity. I can go anywhere, any constituency. Please vote for Congress. Please vote for Congress. I beg with you. I can say that. People will believe me. Basically, I have 20 years. I'm in politics 20 years, and I have very clean record without single corruption case, and there is not a single. All these 20 years, there is not a single, you'll see at any point of time in a debate in the Assembly House when I was minister, never been grilled for any point or any file, had never gone for CBC for inquiry or anything. So I have very clean record. Wherever I have been given a charge, whichever constituency, I will take. Beside my constituency, neighboring my constituency, if I was given charge, just come here and there for campaigning, I will go. I will proudly go, because that image I have. That image also Mr. Girish has, because he is the most sincere, okay, with the Congress. Maybe he did not got opportunity to get elected. He been used as a step in here and there. That doesn't mean he lost. He lost Panjim, he lost there. He been last moment been used as a step in. That was a time. But at least in a publicly, he is not. Nobody can blame him. He is a corrupt, because he never got elected MLA, or he never been a minister. So at least clean image he has, as most sincere in Congress. I don't think, without thinking that Mrs. Sonia Ji had cleared the list, thinking they've been most senior in the Congress, the Congress, they are the one who brought this Congress up, okay? From 2007, I am the one who responsible 2005 to topple Parikar-led government, and after 2 years, and given government in the platter, Congress platter. That time we have 23 in 2006, and then 2007 also. And then, the leaders should understand what happened, where went wrong. Okay, so they should understand now that hope is still there with probably, High Command, and they had given them charge, they had given them responsibility to, to organize all this committee. They should start acting now and put things in place in order that election around the corner, and that what I am thinking. And of course, after going through this list, I am very much positive. This Congress will give a new face ticket, young people, those who've been serving to the respective constituencies. So people should not think that I should get a position and then only Mickey will work. No, I will work. I am working. I will work for a Congress. See, within the Congress, anything there is, there is like a family. When you have a family, there are always ups and downs. When even the dining table, he's eating more, he's taking more fried fish, he's taking more salad. That's always there. It's like Congress is like a family. Okay. See, whatever there, we have to discuss within the. We should not air our views outside the house. Whatever happened on the dining table, this is happened, finished, over. So here is, I'm not upset. There is nothing to upset. I got nothing to lose. I just joined in Congress. It is my duty to bring up Congress. I have nothing. I'm happy that whatever the High Command, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji, she had cleared the list. Whoever given that list, okay, and whoever is decided to whoever choose these people to be in the committee, all this committee, I'm happy. They now they have to, it is up to them, okay, to start, to whatever responsibility given to them, they should start bulldozing.
Which was this the senior leaders are charge direct boy. Are they capable?